Today in this video we'll be talking about vitiligo or the white patches in the skin. Of course, so many people nowadays are suffering with this vitiligo. In the previous generation, of course, there was only less amount of this vitiligo patient, but now it has been increased. Almost kind of 20% of our population is been suffering with this vitiligo. Why this vitiligo happen? This vitiligo happen because of low autoimmune system, and it also may be due to the genetic cause that someone in their family was suffering, or because of some mental depression or grief, any kind of thing, or because of low immunity also, or due to very less exposure to the sunlight. Today in this video we will be talking about homeopathic medicine for the treatment of vitiligo. What are the really important homeopathic medicine which can really treat vitiligo? If you ask, is it possible? Of course it's possible, because I had seen the result. Myself, Dr. Megha from Homeopathic Clinic. I am a practitioner of homeopathy from 5 years. So we'll be discussing about few remedies which are really helpful in the treatment of vitiligo, but these are common vitiligo remedies. But if vitiligo is very chronic disease and a vast disease, of course you should take an case, and you should also rule out the constitutional remedy. Okay, moving on to the first one is arsenic self flavor. This remedy may be given in biochemic form, that is 6x 3x potency. If you are giving in the 6x or 3x potency, then go with 3 times a day with constitutional remedies, or you can also give it in a 30 ch or 200 ch also, but never give it in a 1 ch. Okay, when the improvement is retarded, give 30 potency, and if it is fails to cure completely, give 200 potency weekly, but not above that. Okay, if you ask me why you are saying this kind of thing, like I'll be saying that okay, I got one vitiligo patient. I was giving, means that was an lycopodium patient. All the symptoms used to match with lycopodium, but vitiligo used to match with arsenic self. And what I did was, lycopodium I used to give regularly, but this arsenic self I used to give for 6x potency 2 times a day. Regularly I jumped to 30 potency and I gave it, and it acts wonders. Slowly the patches used to, means how you can see the reduction of patches. If you ask for, of course it will be not gone overnight. See, there will be a circle of white patch. Okay, that white patch, from the center you will be getting a brown spots, or in the whole white patch you will find 1 or 2 brown spots. That is your indications that your body is bringing back the melanin which has lost, okay, on that spot. And that is your first improvement, and your medicine is being correct, and the patient is also recovering. When you say that, the patient also tries to observe that. After that, the dot it joins. After that, the whole circle will be filled like that. It's not like the circle comes at once and it will be going at once. No, because the patch has also come at the same kind of consistency. Means first it has come as 1 dot, then 2 dot, 3 dot, and after that the whole area is been rounded up like that. Okay, next one is borax, white skin with red patches. This is also seen in borax, that is white skin will be there, and there will be in the center red patches, or the patient is exposure to the sun, they get this red patches on this white patches. That time also you can think of borax. Of course the borax is not given oftenly, but if the patient is suffering with this tendency, means red patches tendency, Till now, I had not seen any red patches tendency people, but it is also a common thing because vitiligo is a vast disease and very less population is being affected, and we get very less patient to do in the homeopathic treatment because everyone will be going to the allopathic, or some people will be already given up on the treatment because it's very long standing. Some are going to skin therapist or laser therapy like that. So we get very less patients because the patient should also have so much of patience and waiting period to see the results, right? Because of that, hydrocotyle, and it is always given in mother tincture form to apply it on the area which has been affected. 5 drops or 1 to 2 drops, you can just take it in a clean cotton thrice daily, as if arsenic sulfur flavor fails to cure. Apply it after taking bath. Of course, within few seconds, not even the minutes, within few seconds it dries up. It's just like applying a lotion, that's all. If you're applying a mother tincture, there is no need to wash it off, or there is no need that you feel stingy or you feel something is on your body or someone is going to notice. Nothing, you just apply it, okay, to give that place a little bit boost up, that's all. Nitricum acidum. Discolored zigzag patches of the skin, the base looks like raw fish. This is one of the common symptoms of the patient, where they say that discolored zigzag patches, there is no circle patches or there is no dot patches. Zigzag patches will be there on the skin, and the base of the skin also look like raw fish. You can see that the scaly area, and you can really distinguish on that. Sorinum is an miasmatic remedy, and you only give it after the constitutional remedy, or you never start sorinum at the first place. It may be required at some stage of the disease. Hair on the eyebrows and even on the eyelashes may become grey. A dose of this remedy given every week can restore the original color of the hair affected by the disease. Did you understand? Means if the vitiligo has been affected on the scalp area or on the eyebrows or on the eyelashes like that, when you think of this remedy, you can give it the sorinum 200 potency or 30 potency, whatever potency which you are giving the constitutional remedy. You should be always thinking of giving that kind of potency for the anti-miasmatic remedies. Okay, next one is tuberculinum. Tuberculum is also an anti-miasmatic. You should rule out it is in a storic form or psychotic form or syphilitic form. Then only you can think of which you should be giving, or on the symptomatic basis also you can go on. A dose should be given at the start of the treatment, which should be repeated every month. If you ask, if I start an constitutional remedy, tuberculinum also is given, then can I give sorinum? Of course you can give sorinum, but not at that time, but later form. But if it is indicated, if it is not indicated, just give the tuberculinum only. There is no need of going to the sorinum. Next one is vanadianum. Vanadianum, I had seen very good results with vanadianum and arsenic sulfate and with sorinum. These three had really found so much of good results, and I had 2 to 3 of recovering patient. Still they are recovering. I did not say they are completely cured. They are still recovering because it takes so much of time, and it's cost effective also homeopathy, because if you go for allopathic treatment, the only tube which contains which will be used for 1 week, which is almost 500 to 600 or 1000, but with homeopathic medicine, everything in a month will be covered with 500 or 600. So you can really go for that. And another thing is, these are natural remedies, there is no side effects, and you can completely trust the doctor and take the medicines. Vanadinum, irregular milk white patches on the skin with hypotension and weight loss. This is one of the peculiar thing, hypotension and with the weight loss. Hypotension is low BP, don't get confused, low blood pressure. What are the things which you should be avoiding when you have this vitiligo disease? Avoid milk products and citrus fruits like lemon, um, like orange, everything. Low levels of stomach acid, that is HCLs, are believed to be cause of this problem. That's all. Okay, if you avoid this and if you maintain a very good physical activity and meditating, mental activity is also good, then you can completely get cured with the homeopathy. Okay, that's all for the vitiligo. If you have any kind of diseases which you want to know about homeopathic disease treatment, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a good life and a fantastic life. All your dreams come true. Bye bye.